code is broke. You can see. So I'm gonna see if I can get like a little more discount on this bag. So cute. These two will go cute together. But I don't see the price. I think this dress is so pretty. $24.99. Oh, I love this fluffy furry jacket. $19.99. So I'm gonna go ahead and purchase this. Oh, this is big. That's a big charcuterie board. And this little garbage can, this is how it's shaped. And it is $3.99. But it's cute though. Thinking about getting it. Ooh, y'all, this little lamp is cute. The Lexington. Look at it. It is nice. Something I could probably put in the kitchen. Y'all, I love these baskets right here. This is cute. Something different. Storage basket. They have this size as well. Cute. Have some cute baskets up here. I got this pink one here. Okay, they got some more baskets right here. Okay, and a laundry basket. Wow, y'all, these are so cute. Soap and lotion dispensers, Mickey and Minnie Mouse. So cute. And this is $12.99. Let's see how much this one costs. It's probably the same, $12.99, but those are so adorable. And this one is cute too. $6.99. Oh, and they even have the rose gold toothbrush and toothpaste holders right here, $6.99. Clothing hamper. So pretty. It's so cute. This one is $6.99. $14.99. This one is the drawers. How cute. Y'all, I might get a vase. This one is $7.99. I don't know, maybe I should put a vase on my bathroom thingy, something to bring. This yesterday when I came in here, $12.99. Beautiful. These are